Díag with YouTube agus Cunas Atatu, Conor Donahue here back with another YouTube video, and we're going to show you how to do the faded text effect in Photoshop. So first of all, just load up whatever image you have into Photoshop. Doesn't really matter what image you want to use. And the first thing you want to do is press T to bring up your text effect and just click it onto the photo. And I'm going to type in the word peaceful. It suits this image down to the ground. Press OK. And we'll just center this bad boy into the middle. Perfect. I don't think that's fully centered, but it's okay for now. So now that you have your text in, sometimes what I do is I try and match the text color to it. This one's a bit more darker than the rest of the photos I have, so I'm just going to cancel this and I'm just going to leave it as white for now. But usually what I do is I click and I try to select the color. So we actually might do it here. Just click up here and I give it a slight tint. Doesn't make a whole lot of a difference, but you'll see in other photos you might have, it might work perfectly. So what we want to do now is make sure we have the text layer selected. We want to come down here to layer mask and select layer mask. Now, this seems all a bit confusing, but the first thing we want to do is press B to bring up our brush. This is where we will be deleting or fading parts of our text. So to simplify, what the mask does is black will delete parts of it, as you see here, Command Z. And when you press X, you can switch between black and white. So I'm just pressing X here and it's switching back and forth. So say for instance, if you had a black and you deleted too much by accident, you can press X, select white and bring it back. So we're going to come onto black here and we're just going to zoom in a bit and we're going to click once at the bottom of P and you see it slightly fades there. We're going to come over to the L and we're going to hold Shift and click again. What this does is create a perfectly horizontal line. And I love using this so I don't have to be guessing and going back and forth across my word. So you can do this a couple more times. I like to do it once semi-high and then kind of do it again at the bottom. So there you go there. That's kind of done now, but what you can do is take your brush, so select the layer, take your brush again. Depending on the photo, you can kind of come in and just add a little bit of fade to the top of these, some of these. It just adds a little bit more realism because in real life, you're not going to have solid text colors like that. So there we are there, guys. That's how to do the faded text that I have in my photos. Hope you enjoyed.